There comes a time in every man's life where he has to sell his Fiat 500. Chell didn't want to be in the video, but she's in it. And it comes now. After what can only be described as a brief nap, it's time for us to hit the road. I feel like I should explain why we're getting rid of the Fiat after just owning it for 7 months, and that's because it is the worst car that we have ever owned, far and away. The reason why is because it breaks continuously. You fix something, something else breaks. Then the thing that you fixed breaks. Then 3 more things breaks. You fixed them all. I've spent $5,000 on parts now, and lots of the stuff that I've replaced continues to break again. So we've decided that we're done with it. The car isn't that fun to drive. The only appeal is that it's a cute little weird thing, whereas we have the Mini, which is a cute little weird thing, but also it's really fun to drive fast. So we've decided it's time to get rid of it. And we're getting a brand new car, and you'll see what that is later. We are now entering, and it's totally out of focus, colorful Colorado as the Touareg downshifts once more to climb the hill. We stopped to get gas in Grand Junction and grab some Chick-fil-A. And look, a Miata. This is the first time I've ever been up here when the tunnel is closed. That's interesting. Well, here we are in the Walmart parking lot. Just unloaded the little Fiat man, and you're gonna see what he's about to get replaced with as we go for our last little quarter-mile drive with it. The suspense has killed you, I know. Here is the new car. It is a 2004 NB Mazda Speed Miata, 34,000 miles. Super nice. It's got the little enchilada kit from Fly-In Miata. Makes good turbo noises. Few little dings and scratches here and there, but you know, not perfect like the white one, but it's still pretty good. And I don't know if I'll be able to get to make turbo noises at idle, but pretty good. I think Chell got a clip of us driving it, so I'll put that in here now. Noises, aren't they?
What?
Some good spoolie boy noises. That's sick. Alright, got them all loaded up, ready for the big trip. Got 5 straps on them, and the parking brake's cranked all the way, so hopefully it doesn't move at all. But we got a long drive ahead of us, and it is already 3:30. Oh boy. We're back in Vail now, and we're gonna go get some Qdoba. We just checked all our straps. They're all doing good, which is good, because it would be bad if they were doing bad. And we're back where we started about 20 hours later. I unstrapped the Miata so that way the suspension isn't all compressed, but we are not going to unload it tonight. There's more to come tomorrow. After a whole lot of shuffling, we have 2 Miatas and 1 Mini in the garage. We did it. We made it home. Drove the car around a bunch, and I really like it. It's a lot of fun. It's a different type of fun than that one. That's way more old school feeling, and this, even though it's the same type of car, the little turbo blow-offs and stuff is so cool.